Good evening. My name is Tumalaisa.
And I'm Liliana Wilson.
We are going to be throat singing, and what that is you are using your voice to imitate the sounds of the environment or anything around you, and it is used most back then by women, and it's used to vibrate on the back to put the baby to sleep with this outfit that we're using, and it vibrates the back, and what it does is it just brings the baby to sleep, and when we're doing it, it also helps us pass time while people are out hunting and we're just at home, so it's like a competition kind of thing. It's a game.
Our throat singing that we're going to do is we're going to have 8 throat singing songs put into one. Remember, throat singing is a competition, so you gotta beat the other person. Okay. Up,